Hello everyone, this is JJ. Today I would like to introduce you to Microsoft's Edge new screenshot feature tool that saves me a lot of time, and to be honest it is much more convenient than Microsoft's default sniping tool or Windows capture tool because it is all integrated within the Microsoft Edge browser. So it is so convenient for me to extract text, translate text, and even search for images on the web. And I just want to show you guys how you can use it to improve your workflow. So if you want to learn how to use AI in a more practical way, make sure to give my YouTube a subscribe. So let's get started. So this screenshot tool is built into Microsoft Edge, so that means you need the Microsoft Edge browser. It already comes with default in Windows laptop, and if you are in other Microsoft or Linux, you need to download Microsoft Edge for you to use this inbuilt tool. So quickly, to do a screenshot or screen capture on in Microsoft Edge, just simply go to anywhere on your screen. Make sure it is in Microsoft Edge and just right click it and go to the screenshot button here, as you can see, or you can just do Ctrl+Shift+S. So once you click it, this is the interface. You can see you can just drag and capture a single area, or capture screen area, or capture full area. I'm going to show you each features, but what I really like to do is usually to translate or extract some text from the image. So let's say I want to understand, this is a Chinese or Japanese text. I really want to understand what it means since I'm learning Japanese. So I'm going to go to the capture area and just highlight, click on it and drag across the text that I want to translate and just release it. Once I release it, I can go to visual search. So if I click on visual search, it will show me all the similar images that we have, as well as the text function. So I can just copy text and just put in, if there's like some sort of serial number on your scanned PDF, you don't want to type it manually, you just screenshot it and extract the text like this. Or I love to use the translate function, which translate this text into English. So you can change any text you want, but this means 10 characters and 9 characters. So it is really useful for me to learn Japanese. Or let's say I don't want to type the numbers manually, and since it is a scan text, I can't highlight. So I need to just go and screenshot it, capture area, do a capture here, and then do visual search, and then press text, and there you go. This is the phone number we have. And you just copy text and just put in your Excel sheet or anywhere you want. So let's say I see a beautiful car and I want to know what brand it is. I can also just right click on it. I mean, you can just do visual search here, or I like to just do a screenshot and then just highlight the car here and then do visual search. And then it will show me that it is a Porsche Taycan. One very cool feature of the screenshot tool in the Edge browser is that it can capture multiple pages and it can capture very long screenshots. I have a PDF, it only works on PDFs or images. Let's say I want to copy and paste 2 pages worth of images, but since it is really long, what you usually do is you have to scroll out and then copy and paste the entire thing. But the problem is that Copilot or any AI tools uses optical character recognition, OCR, to analyze the images and extract the text from it. So sometimes if the image is too far away, the OCR tool can't recognize the text. For example, if I try to read the text here, and then since it's really far away, it can't find any text. As you can see, you need to be closer so that it can actually recognize the text. But what you can do in Edge is that you can just screenshot multiple pages. For example, you can just right click and then click on screenshot, then click the top pages that you want to and then you just drag over it, and then this is the first page, and then you see that you can just scroll your mouse wheel, cover more pages, or just hover along here at the edge, and then it will just cover the entire 2 pages. So you just release it. Now you can just copy or do a visual search or just save it. So let's say I want to copy it, and then I go to Copilot, and then I paste it in, and as you can see, it is the entire image. Besides that, you can also do some markup on your screenshot. So let's say I want to correct this like my resume. So I just right click it, screenshot, and then instead of just capture area, you can do capture screen area. So once you do capture screen area, you can highlight the screen that you have, and then you can add tags, you can add circles. Let's say I want to add some circles and just ask it to change it. This is wrong. You can easily do that and just add to clipboard. So once you add to clipboard, it's copied. The image is already copied in your cursor, and then you can do anything. So for example, I can go to my Copilot here, and since it's already copied, I can just paste the image directly into Copilot, and I can just ask it anything that I want. Let's say what does this image say? Or I can just ask it for anything I want. So there you go. The workflow is so much smoother, so much more convenient to put from one thing to another, all in the same environment. So I really like this tool. If you have any AI tools that you want to learn or any videos that you want to see, make sure to comment down below and I'll check it out. For now, make sure to keep practicing AI tools, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.